Hi everybody, this is Domingo with you. Hope you're doing fantastic. I just thought I'd change the scenery a bit here and just do a video outside. Now, I wanted to thank all of you for the support on my recent uploads with my tutorials and editing and videos, and also the Money Making Madness. I really do appreciate it. Now, will most of my content be how-to videos? Well, I mean, yeah, for the foreseeable future, it will be. And a lot of people look for that kind of stuff. I want people to find my videos and let it be helpful to them, and for the opportunity to give me feedback if it doesn't help them. Because if I don't make a good video, then it doesn't make a difference whether I have 15,000 or 20,000 subscribers. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter at all. What matters is I make videos that help people out in the long run. Like the tutorials I've made, like how to use clip claps, how to use KineMaster, those have been my most helpful videos for people, because they've been searching for stuff like that, because none of that stuff's on YouTube. And I also made videos that aren't even discovered yet. So the video views that I get will just be from people that are going to be searching for it. Now, you, my subscribers that have been with me since the very day, like Modern Nomad and China Eyes 22 and all my other YouTube friends and Romeo Cool Bad Boy, thank you. And if you have any suggestions for something that I can do on an off day, just leave it in the comments below. That's what I want to do for all the people that are subscribed to me. And thank you so much again for watching. And don't forget to subscribe below for new content. And I just appreciate it.